Hello everyone and welcome to another Tribe Forex Power Hour. I'm Marcello. Today is May 5th, 2014. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And we're going to do today what we've done for years, which is an analysis of the market and evaluation of our strategies, which are based upon the 5 p.m. Eastern Time close of our daily bars. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with how it works, go into our daily market analysis very quickly, and so let's talk about that. Our formula for success is that we do an analysis at 5 p.m. Eastern Time to determine the bias. The bias is our probability of price moving up or down on a particular currency pair. And after we determine the bias, there are two ways that we execute. One, we take a set and forget it trade, or two, we day trade in the direction of our bias using pods for bigger profit. If you don't know what a pod is, simply go to tribeforex.com and you can watch the video. The video series that we have there teaching you how to trade. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. It's going to be a quick one today. Let's talk about it. D1. All right, let's start with the euro. Okay, so the euro dollar, clearly, guys, we had a push down. We expected a push down. We expected a sell. We did get a sell. We got a sell, but then price completely was rejected. And you can see that price moved back up. So it went down about 65, 70 pips from the high and really found its way down. So it actually hit just about our 50 EMA, came right back up and closed almost at the open. And so that's what we saw on the euro dollar. So price is basically right here at the highs again. And so overall, guys, I defer to my weekly analysis here, or my monthly analysis. And you can see here that we have price action going on. We have great price action here, really showing us that the market intended to most likely move down. So you can see here you can see here, guys, that we actually had a nice trend line formed to the upside right on the resistance area. And we're kind of bouncing off that area. We've had repeated confirmations of this. Price has not broken our resistance areas just yet on the monthly. So we're still sticking with a sell here for the time being. Now, if price breaks that high, then we will reconsider and most likely be looking for a bounce. We'll be patient, look for a bounce off of these trend lines and off of these resistance areas to be going back up. Okay, sorry about that. So that's what we have going on price action on the euro dollar. So we're going to look for a sell-off. You can see here that price has not passed the previous highs. And so we've kind of had a very light day on the day. Now, what can price move up? Absolutely can move up. Just from what we're looking at is its activity, which is indicative of price's respect of the trend line. So after you see a big day like we did see on Friday, Thursday or Friday, where price really shot down, really hit our take profits if we had take profits in the sell side, and then pushed back up. On that push back up, you would have definitely seen the next day a continuation to the upside, and we did not see that. So I'm going to be looking for, contrary most likely to opinion, for a sell until I see a break through this trend line. That's what I'm going to be looking for. All right, so the dollar Swiss actually had a buy day, so it did sell off. You can see that this area of support under here on the dollar Swiss did hold. So once again, guys, I'm looking for a buy until this trend line is broken to the downside. I'm going to be looking for a buy on the dollar Swiss. Pound dollar as well. It's kind of above. It is sitting above our area of resistance here, but it is held at the area of resistance. And what I see is a continuation potentially to the sell side, or at least into consolidation. And right now what we're looking at is consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars showing consolidation. The dollar yen, big sell bar, didn't quite make it down. Okay, and we're still sitting here in consolidation. I'm going to watch for that and see where price goes from here. And actually looking at this pound yen, we're right in this consolidation zone. You can see that price tried to break out to the upside and came right back inside of it. We very well could have a nice sell-off on this pound yen. Looking at it from the monthly, I see nothing. From the weekly, we do have opportunity. And from the daily, you can see here that price did hit the lower side of that. So it's kind of ambiguous because price tried to break out to the upside, came back in, closed low. You'd expect for it to sell off. It did sell off, but it came right back into the consolidation zone. So really nothing to be said about that pound yen at this point. We have to wait and see where the breakout is on this flag formation. Same thing here on the dollar CAD. We're actually holding the area of support, and so we're going to look for price to go up on the dollar CAD. I've got a buy bias from the dollar CAD. Euro yen, once again, I've got a buy. Actually, I've got a buy. I think price can come down to 140, 140, but I'm looking for a buy off of this low side on the euro yen. New Zealand dollar actually did close. The monthly did close above. It broke out and really did close above that flag formation that it had. Okay, and so we're going to have to wait and see what happens with this New Zealand, but it continues to make an assault on the upside and continues to move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to the upside, really showing that it has an intention to continue north. The pound dollar, the Aussie dollar, perfect bounce off of the 200 MA and then against the 50 EMA, and it bounced again off the 200 MA, so it looks like it wants to move up. I would have a buy bias on the Aussie dollar. And that's it. That's pretty much our calls for the day, guys. I wish you well. Happy trading, and I will see you tomorrow. Now, there's supposed to be a trading room tonight. It's going to be from 1 to 3 a.m. Eastern Time, and then again from 8 to 10 a.m. Eastern Time right there at tribeforex.com. We look forward to seeing you there. All the best. Bye-bye.